Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install these main concept Afri-Naptural passion twist. These are the gorgeous passion twist, which comes in 3 different lengths inside the pack. Right now I am putting all the 11-inch pieces on the bottom of my head. I want to make sure that it's a very unified look and a nice very layered look. So all the 11-inch pieces will start from the bottom and go towards the middle before I end up putting in the next layer of hair. Now I'm going in with the 10-inch pieces. As you can see, most of the hair has been filled with the 11-inch pieces. I've now started my new row, which will consist of all 10 inches until I get halfway up to the top of my hair, when I will begin installing the other length of hair as well. And finally, we are at the 9-inch pieces, which is the shortest length of hair in the pack. So I will install all the 9-inch pieces on the rest of my head for a complete finish and a layered look. And now it's about styling. So I love a good side part, as you can see. So this is one style that you can do. And then just moving it around. So I'm going to also see like how it will look with a nice middle part, since that's pretty much the thing these days. So let's see how that looks as well. Side part it is. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.